is Rick Perry. I'm Vice President of International Network Planning and Engineering for Cable&WIreless Worldwide. I've actually been with the company for 37 years.
My name's Charlie Johnson and I work for Cable&WIreless Worldwide, and I'm currently a graduate engineer on their engineering scheme.
My name's Hema Sood. I joined the company in 2007. I've come off the graduate scheme now. It's been a year and a half. I'm currently working as IT project manager.
Cable&WIreless Worldwide is a major global telecoms operator. It is the second largest operator in the United Kingdom. It focuses on the corporate and wholesale markets.
The Cable&WIreless Worldwide grad scheme is made up of 6 4-month placements.
The scheme is a 2-year scheme.
When you join the company, you'll be based at our campus in Bracknell, and your first placement will be assigned to you in a sort of platform design team where you'll be working on transmission or IP sort of project, and then you'll be sort of guided through your next 5 placements.
Placements after that are up to the individual, and that will be based on their own likes and dislikes of what they want to do, the opportunities within the company where there are placements.
I kind of wanted to get a job in telecoms because it's quite a fast paced growth area.
Cable&WIreless is a very dynamic company. The industry is very dynamic.
I think that's the beauty of Cable&WIreless Worldwide. It's a telecommunications company. It's moving all the time. There's always different things happening all the time.
For Cable&WIreless to survive, our employees have to be equally dynamic and accept change.
There's always new problems, new tasks that need to be done, so nothing's ever typical.
So there's always something new to learn.
The graduate scheme is very flexible.
You know, it's not just engineering. If you think, I'd like to go and spend some time in a commercial placement, you can see if you can get something organised, or if you'd like to go into operations, there's also opportunities there.
It is a control scheme. It's accredited by the IET, but one of the things we want to get out of it is basically the candidates must show initiative.
So the emphasis isn't, you do this, you do that, you do the next thing. The emphasis is on you to, tailor your own career to suit you.
We were looking for graduates with an engineering or computer sciences type background.
If your application is successful at the first stage, you'd be invited to one of our assessment centres, and that is at our campus in Bracknell, and it comprises of a few group tasks and an interview and a presentation. And you get to meet members of the staff and find out a bit more about the company. If you're successful enough to get through to the assessment centre, I would recommend that you try and be as relaxed as possible and be yourself, because that's what we're looking for. Because we want people who are going to come in, be themselves, show that they're capable of achieving the task that we set them, and will flourish in Cable&WIreless Worldwide.
Cable&WIreless Worldwide is a global company. There will be opportunities for placements in some of our overseas locations in the Far East, in the US.
During the grad scheme, I had the opportunity to actually work abroad. So I travelled across to Mexico and Cancun, where I was working on a submarine cable upgrade, which was connecting several different sites, upgrading bandwidth, so that lasted between 4 to 5 months.
When I found out that I'd been successful to get through to the assessment centre, I researched the company a bit, found out about what they were offering, some of their products. I also spent some time thinking of questions that I could ask the interviewers, because I think it was important to show that I was interested, and I am interested about the company and where it's going.